Ever try to oil paint on paper? Well, if you have, you know the problems that can arise with that. So stick around because in this video, I'm going to share with you one of my favorite new art supplies that solves that problem. My name is James Owens, and on this channel, I share with you the techniques, tips, hacks, and history to help you become a better artist. Now, oil painting on paper can be done, but man, it can be a mess. You can wrinkle the paper, the oil can leach into the paper and leave weird stains. The oil and the pigment can bleed right through to the back of the paper. Now, if you're determined to paint on paper, there are things you can do. You can prep the paper with gesso or some kind of acrylic medium, but it still can wrinkle the paper and it can still be a mess and a lot of extra work. Well, today I'm going to tell you there's a company out there that solved all these problems. Arches, the people that make watercolor paper, have made an oil paper specifically designed for oil painting. Now, I want to let you know, I am not sponsored by Arches, and I'm not being compensated in any way for this. This is just an art supply that I've been using, a recent discovery, and I really dig it and wanted to share it with you. Now, this paper is archival quality. It's 100% cotton. It has a wonderful slight tooth to it, much like the watercolor paper made by Arches. It's 300 grams per square meter or 140 pounds, so it's a heavyweight paper. It's heavyweight enough to stand up to a lot of impasto painting. Now, one of the things I like best about it is that even as heavy as it is, it can still be put on a light box to transfer your drawing. This way, you can get a more subtle drawing than using a carbon sheet. It takes the graphite beautifully. It also allows you to erase well. It's really, really nice to draw on. I also do apply a light coat of workable fixative to the pencil drawing before I paint, just to seal up the graphite and make sure that it doesn't smear around as I'm applying the oil paint. Now, it can also take subtle glazes and washes of oil paint without that weird bleed I was talking about earlier. However, it does have a strange effect on the paper once you apply the paint. Hey guys, if you're getting value out of this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and don't forget to hit that bell so you won't miss any upcoming videos. Now, as I was saying, it does have a strange effect on the paper once you apply the paint. It kind of stains the paper. So if you're someone who likes to apply the paint and then wipe it off with a rag or a paper towel, leaving the lighter areas showing, be aware it will leave color behind in the fibers of the paper. Now, it's not a big deal, just something you'll have to be aware of and compensate for. Now, this stuff comes in various size pads, 9 by 12, 12 by 16. It also comes in much larger sheets and in rolls. Now, this paper is perfect for quick studies, color comps, even finished artwork. All in all, this is a terrific product from Arches. I'm very happy with its properties. I will be definitely experimenting more with it and using it more in the future. Well, I want to thank you all for watching this video, and I hope you found it useful and learned something from it. If you have any ideas for any art supplies that you'd like to see me check out and possibly do a review video on, let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. So, until next time, go make something cool. Owens out.